मैं CS पटेल बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका शिक्षण विभाग वर्चुअल क्लास में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष का अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन टीचिंग पहुंचाने का प्रयास शुरू कर दिया है।
So standard second, yes students, sir, subject English, and yes you are seeing my English book 2 standard 2, and students, sir, today's lesson is 1.10 animal song. Yes students, sir, in second standard English we will practice today animal song 1.10, lesson number 1.10. And students, myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center MCGM Mumbai. Okay students, sir, so listen, repeat and sing. Yes students, sir, it's a animal song, and yes you are seeing this song. See here, look at the screen. Yes, so see students, animal song. So yes, see here. Yes, so hen 10 count to 10. Hen count to 10. Goat get your coat. Mouse build a house. Chick make it quick. Cat find your hat. Bear go upstairs. Kite say good night. Sheep go to sleep. Okay students, so we will practice this song, this animal song. Yes, we'll see, we will practice one line by one line. Okay, now students, see further, we will practice line by line. Okay, now students, yes, we will practice one line by one line. Okay, now students, listen, first of all listen carefully, and after that repeat and then sing. Yes, now say, hen count to 10. Yes, count to 10. So says you are saying 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Yes, you are saying. Yes, so 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Yes, so yes you are seeing hen here, and yes, counting 1 to 10. So students, so listen, now repeat it. Hen count to 10. Yes, now try to sing in. Hen count to 10. Okay, sing it. Hen count to 10. Yes bachcho, now try to sing. Yes, sing it again. Hen count to 10. Yes, okay, we will practice further. Okay students, now listen, repeat and sing. Yes, now first of all listen. Yes, goat. Yes, goat. Yes, you are saying goat. Yes, goat get your coat. And yes, you are seeing coat. So, yes, goat, coat, goat, coat. Yes. So now students, yes, repeat it. Goat, goat, get your coat. Yes, goat, goat, get your coat. Okay, students, now try to sing. Goat, goat, get your coat. Yes, now try to sing. Goat, goat, get your coat. Yes, once again. Goat, goat, get your coat. Okay. Now see the next line. Yes. So listen, repeat and sing. Yes. The next line. Yes. So yes, you are seeing mouse here. Yes. Mouse here. Yes. Mouse here. So mouse. Mouse, mouse. Yes. Repeat it. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Yes. So say it again. Repeat it. बच्चों रिपीट कीजिए. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Yes, you are seeing mouse. And yes, see house. Yes. So mouse, mouse. Build a house. Okay, students. So try to sing. Yes. Mouse. Yes. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Yes. Repeat it. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Yes. Say it again. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Okay. So students, yes. Mouse, house. Mouse, house. So keep in your mind. Now students, see further. Yes, listen, repeat and sing. Yes. Now students, yes. So now listen and repeat. Now say chick. Say chick, chick. Okay. Now say it again. Chick, chick. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Chick, chick. Yes. See. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Okay बच्चों. Now say chick, chick. Make it quick. Okay. So say it again. Yes. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Okay. Now students, try to sing this line. Yes. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Yes. Try to sing. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Okay. Yes. Sing this line. चलिए बच्चों गाइए. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Okay. Now students, yes, see further. So listen, repeat and sing. Yes, you are seeing cat. Yes. Now students, so first of all listen. Cat, cat. Find your hat. Yes, so hat is here and cat is here. Yes. So cat, cat. Yes, cat, cat. Find your hat. Yes, so students, listen and repeat first of all. Cat, cat. Yes, repeat it. Cat, cat. Find Yes, find your hat. Your hat. Okay, now say it again. Cat, cat. बोलिए बच्चों. Cat, cat. Find your hat. Cat, cat. Find your hat. Okay. Cat, cat. Find your hat. So cat here. Yes, cat. Yes, try to find your hat. And hat is here. Yes. So, see the line? Cat, cat, find your hat. Okay, so try to sing this line. Yes. Now first of all listen. Cat, cat, find your hat. Cat, cat, find your hat. Yes, now repeat it. Listen and repeat. Cat, cat, find your hat. Cat, cat, find your hat. Yes, बच्चों, repeat it. Cat, cat, find your hat. Yes. Okay, students, sir. Now see further. Okay, listen, repeat, and sing. Yes, animal song. You are practicing. Okay, students, yes, you are seeing a bear. Yes. Now listen and first of all listen. Bear, bear, go upstairs. Yes, bear, bear, go upstairs. Once again, listen. Bear, bear, go upstairs. Yes, so students, you are seeing bear, bear, and yes, upstairs. Yes, means students, you are seeing, yes, the bear is trying. So students, you are seeing. So yes, so now first of all listen and repeat. Okay, so students, listen and repeat. Bear, bear. Yes, repeat it. Bear, bear, go upstairs. Go upstairs. Yes, bear, bear, go upstairs. Yes, once again, listen and repeat. Bear, bear, go upstairs. Okay, now try to sing. Yes, bear, bear, go upstairs. Yes, bear, bear, go upstairs. Okay, sing once again. Yes, बच्चों. Bear, bear, go upstairs. Yes. Okay. Now students, see further. Listen, repeat and sing. Yes, animal song. Yes. Now students, you are seeing kite. Yeah. Yes, it's a kite. Okay students, so students, kite here. तो बच्चों, आपने काइट सुना होगा. एक काइट जो आप फ्लाई करते हैं इन द स्काई, वो पतंग इन योर मदर टंग वी से. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, दिस बर्ड इज काइट. यस, जिसे कहते हैं चील. इन और मदर टंग वी से चील. यस, इन इंग्लिश वी से काइट. तो बच्चों, यस, यू आर सीइंग काइट, काइट बर्ड. ओके, सो कीप इन योर माइंड, राइट? Kite. So listen and repeat first of all. Okay, kite, kite. Yes, say kite, kite. Say good night. Okay, repeat it. Say good night. Repeat it. Good night. Good night. Repeat it. Kite, kite. Kite, kite. Say good night. Kite, kite. Say good night. Okay, so repeat once again. Kite, kite. Repeat कीजिए बच्चों. Kite, kite. Say good night. Say good night. Okay, repeat it. Say good night. Okay, now repeat. Yes, repeat the line. Kite, kite, say good night. Yes, repeat कीजिए. Kite, kite, say good night. Kite, kite, say good night. Yes, you are saying. Yes, good night. Okay. So students, try to sing now. Kite, kite, say good night. Kite, kite, say good night. Yes, sing it. Kite, kite, say good night. Yes, try to sing. Yes, बच्चों. Kite, kite, say good night. Yes, once again. Kite, kite, say good night. Okay. Okay, students, sir. Now see further. Yes, listen, repeat and sing. Yes, you are saying sheep. Yes, students, sir. This one, sheep. Yes, sheep. In our mother tongue, we say bhed. Yes, sheep. Okay. Now, students, sir, first of all, listen and repeat. Sheep, sheep. Yes, now say sheep, sheep. Go to sleep. Say it again. Sheep, sheep. Go to sleep. Repeat it. Sheep, sheep. दोहराए बच्चों. Sheep, sheep. Yes. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Yes, repeat it. Sheep, sheep. Go to sleep. Once again, repeat whole line. Sheep, sheep. Go to sleep. Once again, sheep, sheep. Go to sleep. Yes, now try to sing. Yes, students, sir. Try to sing this line. Yes, sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Yes, sing it. Sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Yes, you are saying. Yes, so goat is sleeping. Yes, you are saying goat is sleeping. Yes, goat is sleeping. So try to sing. Sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Sing it again. Sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Yes, students, sir. Just like so. Okay, students, sir. So listen, repeat and sing. At last, students, sir, we will practice the whole poem. Yes, we will sing. Okay, बच्चों. So at last, this poem, yes, we will sing whole poem once again. Right? तो चलिए बच्चों, एक बार प्रैक्टिस, yes, whole poem की प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. Okay? Right? So be ready. Okay. Yes. Now listen, repeat and sing. Yes. Hen, hen, count to 10. Yes. Now listen, repeat and sing. Okay. Hen, hen, count to 10. Yes, बच्चों, repeat it. Goat, goat, get your coat. Yes. Mouse, mouse, build a house. Chick, chick, make it quick. Chick, chick, make it quick. Cat, cat, find your hat. cat, cat, find your hat. Yes, bear, bear, go upstairs. Yes, bear, bear, go upstairs. Kite, kite, say good night. Sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Okay, students, sir. So yes, listen, repeat and sing once again. Right? Okay, students, sir. So be ready. Hen, hen, count to 10. Yes. Hen, hen, count to 10. Yes. Goat, goat, get your coat. Mouse, mouse, build a house. Chick, chick, make it quick. Cat, cat, find your hat. Cat, cat, find your hat. Bear, bear, go upstairs. Bear, bear, go upstairs. Kite, kite, say good night. Kite, kite, say good night. Sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Sheep, sheep, go to sleep. Okay, students, sir. So, students, sir, yes, practice again and again this poem. Okay? Yes. Now, students, sir, listen, repeat and tell the more rhyming words. Yes, students, sir. See here. Just like. Okay, students, sir. Now, see here. Hen, hen, yes, count to 10. So, see, students, sir, yes, just like 10, 10, hen. So, yes, just like practice and yes, so tell more rhyming words. 10, hen, yes, just like men, den, pen. ओके बच्चों, तो इस तरह से आपको और भी राइमिंग वर्ड्स यस फाइंड आउट करना है, सोचने हैं. यस जस्ट लाइक 10 hen. और भी राइमिंग वर्ड यस जैसे men, 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 den, den, pen, pen. यस और भी राइमिंग वर्ड स्टूडेंट्स है. यस यू हैव टू ऐड और आपको बताने हैं 10. यस खोजने हैं. ओके सो सी द नेक्स्ट वर्ड. यस जस्ट लाइक see coat. Yes, coat, goat. It's just like so students you have practiced. It's like see here. Yes, so 10 here. Yes, hen here. So just like so I have told बच्चों हमने अभी practice की. Yes, man, den, pen. So yes, if I say coat, yes, so coat, so coat here and goat here. सो इस तरह से और भी राइमिंग वर्ड आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. राइट. सो कोट, गोट. और भी राइमिंग वर्ड जैसे ये आता है बोट, BOAT, बोट, MOAT, मोट. सो कोट, गोट, बोट, मोट. यस सो और भी राइमिंग वर्ड्स आपको सोचना है, फाइंड आउट करना है. यस सो स्टूडेंट्स यस see here hat. Yes, so yes here hat. Yes, cat. So many words students say you have to find. चलिए आपको और भी वर्ड फाइंड आउट करने हैं. Yes, hat, cat. Yes, bat. Yes, bat, mat. Yes, fat, rat. So many words. Okay students, sir. So try to find out yes more rhyming words. Okay students, sir. So work hard, practice again and again. Yes बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. ओके, सब्सक्राइब दिस BMC चैनल. एंड स्टूडेंट्स सर यस टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.
बच्चों, बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए। तो बच्चों, हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है। आगे फिर मिलेंगे। आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू वेरी मच।